there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Melody from Kentucky. Melody is saying, Dori, I loved the article last month about success through coaching. You really opened up my eyes to doing it. My question is, if I've never done it before, how do I approach the team that now all of a sudden I will be coaching them? That's a great question. I never thought about that. All right, Melody. Well, there's a couple of things you can do. Well, first of all, you need to tell them why coaching will be important to their success. So I would host a team meeting and I would introduce the topic of coaching to them. Maybe share some stories, maybe share some books that you've read lately, or you can tell them that you've learned from InSPAration Management that to really grow the business so they can grow, the great way to do it is through coaching. So that's where I would start, by first introducing the topic to them and letting them know why it's important. Now make sure you address the what's in it for me factor, because if they don't buy in on why it's important, then they're not going to want to be part of it. So it would be very important for you to actually discuss the importance of coaching and how it would benefit them. It's not just more things for them to do, it's more things for them to become more skillful and to elevate their expertise. So then you introduce to them that from now on, you may come to them every once in a while, and if you saw something that could be done a little bit better, then you're going to spend the time, invest your time in actually coaching them and helping them so they can become better. So everybody wins, the guest, them, you. So it's a win-win all the way around. So I would definitely approach it that way and show them that you care, and that's really why you're doing it. You're doing it because you care about them, and that's exactly what the program is. It's I care. So it would be ideal for you. So thank you so much for your compliment and for reading our newsletter or actually watching it, whichever way you actually did it. And it's always nice to hear feedback and information from all of you that you're benefiting from all the things that we do at InSPAration Management. So let me know how it turns out, Melody. I'd love to hear from you and see how the team is reacting to your coaching. You need help, you can always set up a private coaching call with me and I'd be more than happy to help you. All right, do you have a question? Make sure you send it to info@inspirationmanagement.com so we can answer your question for you. Until next time, stay inspired.